Deleting your TikTok affiliate account is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm gonna teach you how you guys can delete your TikTok affiliate account easily. So for that, you have to download this TikTok Shop application, or you have to log into your TikTok Shop account. So in my region, the TikTok Shop is not available, so I'm just gonna show you theoretically. So for that, you just have to log into your TikTok Shop account, and you have to go to this your profile or your setting option, and you will be able to see these options. So how these options will look, let me just open the image, and there you go. See, this is how the page should look like. So you just have to you have to go to your personal information, and in your personal information you have to click on this unlink TikTok account. What it will do is it will unlink your TikTok business account with your TikTok account, and you can afterwards delete the app or simply cut the tab. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can unlink your TikTok affiliation or delete your TikTok affiliate account. Hope you guys find this video helpful.